Hi, my name is Denise Cardello. Welcome to the next edition of Ask GTS. Today, our topic is going to be all about sending statements. So, my question today comes from a financial coordinator in a dental office who asks me, sending statements is a huge task that I do once a month. How can I make this job easier? Well, I have a couple of different suggestions. First off, when you have an insurance check that comes in, if the patient has a balance following that payment, you're going to want to go ahead and send the statement out immediately. Go ahead and get that in the mail and send it off, and hopefully you'll get the payment back in a timely manner. A lot of offices wait until after or towards the end of the month. I used to send my statements out when I was working in an office on the 20th of every month. And it was a pretty daunting task. Then I got to the point that I would send it every twice a month, and that was on the 5th and on the 20th. And that helped a little bit because it would just cut the number of statements that I had in half, and it was easier to process. Because when you're sending out a statement, there's a lot of research that has to be done to make sure that there's not a claim outstanding or that it truly is a balance that your patient is going to owe. Well, one of the things that I have discovered recently, and I've really been implementing in a lot of offices, is sending out statements on a daily basis. No, it's not as hard as it sounds. If you send a statement out every day, if you send your statements out every day, most of the practice management softwares that I have seen will allow you to check a little box that says if a statement hasn't gone out in the last month, that it won't generate another statement. And so this way, if you do it on a daily basis, then only once a month will a statement come up ready to be sent. Makes it so much easier. One day you may have 3, one day you may have 13, one day you may have 30, but eventually it will even itself out, and you're able to send a smaller batch of statements out every single day. It sure helps a lot on your side when you're doing the research. The other thing that really helps along these lines is the cash flow. If you're sending out statements daily, you should be getting checks back daily. That's a big help to the office as well. So look into it, and look into your software and see what you can do as far as that goes. If you need any help, please be sure and let me know, and if I can help you, or I can see if I can find some help so that you can figure out how to do that on your own. So, sending out statements on a daily basis, it may seem crazy, but I bet you will love it once you implement this. I have had some offices that really don't have a lot on a daily basis, and so they've now opted to do it more weekly so that there's something for them to be researching. But I still opt for the daily. I would go for that. I hope that this has been helpful to you, and I hope that this is going to make your job a little bit easier. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any comments or questions, please hit it up on our Facebook page, or you can send an email to info@gtsgurus.com. Go on over to our website if you want and see what everybody is doing on Global Team Solutions. It's gtsgurus.com. And until next time, to your success.